What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's just a real quick install. Most of you guys know, if you've seen my older videos, I had the license plate bracket that slides onto the top of the saddlebag. Decided to go with something a little cleaner. I do have one of those little mini organizer shelves in my saddlebag, so it's kind of a tight fit, and I don't know, I wasn't all 100% happy with the way it came out. I wanted something a little different, so I found this online. This is made by Trask, and basically what it is, you get this beautiful billet license plate bracket, and you get this block, and this block gets installed under your rear fender to the fender support bracket. There's like a protruding screw sticking out almost. It also has these, I don't know if you can see that, it comes with license plate lights, which is great. And all the hardware right here. There's two ways you can get this. You can get this in raw, or I believe gloss black, but you have to order that one. It's like special order. I guess they paint it for you when you order it. I went with the billet raw. As you can see, really nice piece. But my bike's all black. I wanted to get the bracket as soon as possible. I actually spray painted it with some engine paint. It's like a low gloss black. I didn't want it to stick out too much. This color kind of goes with the muffler tip, and it's a little more, I don't know what the word is. But it doesn't pop out. I don't want to bring all the attention to the license plate, but I think it's a neat way to have it all tucked in there. So install is pretty straightforward. You do get this little diagram here. You have these brackets here. I'll flip this over. Make sure you guys can see this. So you get these little studs here that screw into here. It does have a little Allen key, little hex hole right here for you to tighten them down. So I'll just tighten these down real quick. Okay, so there you have it. You have these studs that mount inside the plate. The plate is curved, so you're gonna have to finagle your plate a little bit here. But this is gonna go in here. And then you have these brackets that go on each side to hold down the plate. It is a tight fit though. I think the trick is to get it on both studs right at the same time. Boom. All right. You put your washers on. always one that disappears. All right, your washer's on. These are locking nuts here. And you just tighten these down. And there you go. All right. I'll tighten those down in a second. Then you have two of these. Drop them in here. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. Stud goes in here on the rear of your, underneath your rear fender. And you just lock it on with this. So I'm going to tighten these down. And then we'll go over to the bike and install the bike. We'll have to use these wires here, splice these in for the lights. And that should be it. All right. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're at the rear of the bike. This is my carbon fiber Hoffman Designs rear fender. Here's the bracket with the whole piece installed. Nice solid piece. I've tied off my reds and blacks here. For the lights, this is the existing harness. I do have these quick taps right here. I'm just going to reuse those. It's what I had the old license plate lights plugged into. So we're just going to tie those in, mount the plate, and it should be done. There's the stud for the fender bracket. So we're just going to screw it right on there. I'll try to get a good angle so you guys can see it, but really this is all it is. Just going to screw that in on the end, right through there, and then get to the wiring. All right, so that's what it looks like installed. I haven't done the wiring yet, but as you can see, it's pretty clean. Tucked in there nice. I'm gonna put the bags on, probably give you more point of reference. This is what I was saying about the color of the end cap and the color of the bracket that I went with. Just, I don't know, just wanted it more understated, but I think it looks great. Let's get the wiring done and button this thing back up. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you where we're at. I've got the wires spliced into the harness, as you can see. I'm just looking for the right way to tie it down and keep this away from the rear tire. So that's what I'm working on right now. These wires are really thin. The one's coming from the license plate light. So I'm just gonna electrical tape them electrical tape the connectors themselves, because I know a lot of water and debris gets back here. I do have the front of the plug taped off as well. Just want to keep this area clean and tidy, and most importantly, I don't want this wire anywhere near the tire, so I'm going to do my best to do that, and then we'll turn it on and take a look. Okay, well, I've strapped everything down, and I've added a little duct tape here just to kind of guide the harness closer to here where I have strapped. Might be kind of hard to see there, but it's all tucked in pretty neat. Pretty happy with it for the moment. I think this duct tape will hold. If it doesn't, I'll have to try to find another solution. But for now, that's what we're going with. It's all strapped down, tied down, so we're going to put it together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like with the light on. And there you have it. As you can see, the lights are lighting up. Plate is nice and bright. The bike is super dirty. I was hoping to take her out, hose her down a little bit, and then take her out for a ride. But yeah, it's that kind of day out. So maybe a little bit later this afternoon, I'll be able to take it out and show you guys what it looks like out in the street in some light. But so far, I'm happy with it. I think it looks slick. I haven't seen a lot of these out there. Anyway, that's the video for today. I hope you like it. Just a quick one, something different. I think it's an improvement over the bracket that I used to have. As you don't know, go back, check out my other videos. But this was right here. And I'll show you what I mean. This shelf right here, it slides in right in here, and it's just a tight fit. You know, it's not as clean as this is, in my opinion. So overall, aesthetically, I'm really pleased with it. Cleans things up. But if you liked the video, please consider liking and subscribing. We've got more videos coming. Appreciate everybody who comes out and watches the videos, everybody who's subscribed. Give us a thumbs up if you can. And I'll see you guys next time.